I'm Candice Bakx-Friesen, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about things to think about when you're buying a home. So one thing you want to think about is location. Now that might seem pretty simple, but there's a lot of different options, right? So it could be neighborhoods that you're looking at within a city, could be maybe looking at moving outside of a city like Winnipeg, rural versus a small town. So lots of different things to consider, and advantages and disadvantages to both. The second thing you want to think about is if you want to have a new home or an older home. And of course, again, there's different benefits to both. So you could buy a brand new home and have that new home smell and nobody's ever lived in it, which is really exciting. But there are costs involved still with a brand new home, like finishing the yard, putting up a deck, and maybe you're going to be finishing the basement. So again, different things to consider and think about beyond just the initial purchase of the home. The third thing that you want to think about is the general condition. So again, maybe you want to buy a house that's in maybe 5 years old and it's in pretty good condition, or you're willing to purchase a home that's a little bit older and put in that sweat equity and the work to make the house everything that you'd like in a home. So a few different things to think about when you're looking to buy a home. If you need some help with that, please give me a call.